Judy here from justdid8.com, and today I'm going to be showing you and expanding your minds on how to make a peach cobbler in the cast iron. Alright, let's hit the kitchen.
Yeah.
Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, and since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? We're going to turn on the oven at 350 degrees and let's preheat the oven. Huh. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. 1 cup of sugar, 237 milliliters. 1 teaspoon, which is 5 milliliters of baking powder. Yep. A dash of ground nutmeg, like 1/4 teaspoon or so, and then a dash of ground cinnamon, 1 cup of milk. Now I think we're using 2% milk, but you could use any milk you would like, which is 237 milliliters of milk. Melting a whole stick of butter, pouring in half melted butter into the mixing bowl, and now adding in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and now mix. Now if you have a mixer, go ahead and use that. I'm just using a whisk because it's a quick recipe, y'all. It's just really easy to just do this real quick with a whisk. Okay, so in the large cast iron that we have here, we're going to go ahead and put the butter, now the other half of the melted butter, into the bottom of the pan. How many inches is this cast iron, baby?
It is a 10-inch pan.
Alright, so 10-inch cast iron. And then we're going to put the peaches next. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and dump our cans of peaches, liquid and all. Yes, we're adding 2 cans of peaches. So we got 2 cans of peaches here. And then we're gonna add our batter on top. And what's fun is I have a filthy black cherry here. I don't know if it can focus, but we're gonna put 1 in the middle, and whoever finds it is lucky. Why not? It makes it fun, right? Let's put it like over here. Ooh. Yeah. Now we're going to put the rest of the batter on top.
Okay.
So now we put all the batter on top, and now we're going to stick it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for half an hour. We'll see you in half an hour. Real quick, by chance, are you liking this kind of content? Definitely hit the like button, and since you like it, definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so that you could be 8 or 2 and get the notifications whenever we upload another video. Wow, looks amazing. For the full recipe, check out justdid8.com and register your name and email to get all new recipes in your inbox with future perks, like maybe winning a gift card. So subscribe today. And hey, maybe hit the share button to share it out with your family and friends. I'm going to be doing a shout out next from my last uploaded video. Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my aiders.
See you in the next video. See you in the next video.
Really share out this recipe because it's so easy they can make it too.